Opening scene, cinematic shots of giant road machines working. Background, epic cinematic music. These giant machines offer incredible speed and power when building roads. They not only pour asphalt, but also level large areas, compact them, and make them suitable for all types of terrain. With this method, old asphalt is milled, binder is applied using the chip seal method, and stones are added. Rollers press the stones, making the roads durable and economical. Chip Seal ERC combines sustainability and durability in road paving technology. It makes traditional chip seal applications more environmentally friendly and long-lasting, consuming less energy and resources. Section 1. High-tech asphalt machines. Footage of Vogel machines pouring asphalt. Meet the Vogel Super 3000, the powerhouse of asphalt paving. With the ability to pour asphalt up to 16 meters wide, this high-tech machine delivers excellent results at incredible speed and precision, ensuring smooth, long-lasting roads. Transition to the Rumble Hog at work. The Rumble Hog is a true revolution, combining road marking, surface milling, and slotting operations into one machine. It ensures fast and precise work while enhancing road safety through grooved surfaces and renewed lines. Section 2. Advanced Road Marking Systems. Footage of road markings at night. Visibility is key. The 3M Stammark system sets the standard for quality and durability in road markings. Designed for high visibility, even at night, these markings keep drivers safe with their superior reflective properties. Spot Flex road markings being applied. Spot Flex road markings offer strong resistance against heavy traffic and prevent slipping, especially on bends and high-speed roads. Flexibility, strength, and safety built into every line. Section 3. Soil Stabilization and Environmental Solutions. Footage of soil stabilization on construction sites. Road building isn't just about asphalt, it's about a solid foundation. GRT's Environ Soil Binder revolutionizes soil stabilization. It strengthens the soil, prevents dust formation, and protects against erosion, all while being eco-friendly. Footage of Plantic sheets in gardens and construction sites. Plantic is another innovation used to stabilize soil in landscaping and agricultural areas, reducing erosion and controlling weed growth naturally. Section 4. Speed and Safety Equipment. Fast-moving road barriers and portable speed humps. Speed and flexibility matter. The portable speed hump is a perfect example, easy to install and relocate, ideal for temporary traffic control. For high-risk areas, roller systems provide impact absorption, redirecting vehicles more safely during collisions and protecting both drivers and infrastructure. Section 5. Maintenance and Repair Innovations. Machines repairing roads. Road maintenance has been transformed with solutions like Australian Road Patch, combining speed, durability, and cost-effectiveness. The Zoracco M100 Road Surface Dryer ensures clean, dry surfaces even in wet conditions, preparing roads for line marking and crack sealing efficiently. Section 6. Bridges and Underpasses. Bridge deck construction with GECO TC 5600. Modern infrastructure demands precision. The GECO TC 5600 bridge deck finisher offers unmatched quality and efficiency, ensuring bridges meet the highest safety standards. Underpasses built under railway lines, using innovative civil engineering techniques, facilitate smooth vehicle movement without disrupting train operations. Section 7. Sustainable Future of Road Construction. Recycled plastic road construction. The future is sustainable. Innovative systems now use recycled plastic for paving sidewalks, bike paths, and playgrounds, promoting eco-friendly urban development. Footage of cold mix pave application. Cold mix paving and chip sealing methods not only protect roadways, but also extend their lifespan by up to 12 years, all at a fraction of traditional costs. Section 8. Specialized machines for special tasks. Tiger Stone laying bricks. Machines like the Tiger Stone make brick paving faster and more precise, requiring just a few workers to create perfect streets with minimal effort. Slip-form pavers and mowing heads. Slip-form pavers like the S850SL and the Eco 1200 Plus greenery maintenance heads are designed to boost productivity while meeting ecological standards. The power of innovation. Fast-paced montage of all the machines at work. From high-speed asphalt pavers to environmentally friendly innovations, modern road construction technology is shaping a better, safer, and more sustainable future. These incredible machines, with their speed, precision, and eco-friendly advancements, are truly building the roads of tomorrow today. Slow-motion shots of smooth highways and urban landscapes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed seeing the future of road construction in action, don't forget to like, share to Civil Engineering Edge, and subscribe for more amazing technology videos. See you next!